Give me clean hands, clean words, and clean thoughts. Help me to stand for the hard right against the easy wrong. Save me from habits that harm. Teach me to work as hard and to play as fair in thy sight alone, as if all the world saw. Forgive me when I am unkind, and help me to forgive those who are unkind to me. Keep me ready to help others at some cost to myself, and give me chances to do some good every day.
From class 9B, I am going to present the thought of the day, which is a kind word, a helping hand. Something small for you, but a joy that lasts for someone else. Thank you and have a nice day.
And all present over here. Today I, Shraddha from class 9B, going to say today's scripture. It goes like this. Shanti tulyam tapo nasti doshanam paramam sukham nashti grina paro vardhan cha dharma daya param.
Good morning to present the word. Today I am going to present meaning of the scripture. There is no achievement as achieving peace. There is no other happiness compared to disease. There is like disease. There is no other dharma other than showing mercy on others. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now present over here. Today's national news headline goes like this. India plans to allow up to 49% forest
power sector aiming to enhance clean energy initiatives and reduce dependency on coal. Kailash Mansarovar Yatra resumes after 5 years suspension. This sacred pilgrimage is set to restart in June 2025, drawing excitement from devotees. India's Navy Combat Ready and India's warships successfully conducted multiple anti-ships firings showcasing their capability for precise long-range strikes. Pahalgam terror attack investigation. The National Investigation Agency (NIA) intensified its probe into the attack that claims 26 civilians' lives, searching for evidence for the attack. Thank you.
I am Mufassir and I am here with some of the international headlines which are as follows. China may remove tariffs on some US goods, says a source. Pakistan Defense Minister says country has been doing West dirty work for years. Donald Trump signs order to increase deep sea mining in US. US Senator Rubio proposed deal signing between Rwanda and DR Congo. Apple to increase iPhone exports from India to the US to avoid high tariffs. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Shasha Mishra from class 9B and today's sports news headlines are as follows. Mumbai Indians beat Lucknow Super Giants by 54 runs. RCB beat DC with 6 wickets. Bihar to host Women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025. The first semi-final of UEFA Champions League will be held on 30th April between Arsenal and PSG. And second semi-final of UEFA Champions League will be held on 1st May between Barcelona and Inter. India finished ICF World Cup Peru in 3rd place with 7 medals. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hearts that share,
Give with love and help with care.
happiness you will find.
Beyond compare, beyond compare.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Sarthak Srivastava,
And I, Isha Sinha.
from class 9B. We are your hosts for today's morning assembly, and we are gathered here today to begin our day with unity and positivity. Let's make today a day filled with learning, growth and inspiration.
Today, we are going to discuss a very important topic. Happiness comes from helping others. Have you ever felt a deep sense of happiness and satisfaction after helping someone in need?
Helping others is the hallmark of humanity. True happiness comes from within through acts of kindness, gratitude, and a positive outlook rather than from external factors like wealth or material possessions.
We are discussing how happiness can be found not just in receiving but also in helping others.
Now we shall have a special speech to share with you all. To inspire our day, let's listen attentively to Shreya as she shares today's speech. Shreya, please.
The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Good morning to one and all present over here. I, Shreya of class 9B, going to present my thoughts on happiness. Mahatma Gandhi. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Good morning to one and all present over here. I, Shreya of class 9B, going to present my thoughts and views on happiness springs from helping others. In a world that often tells us to chase success, wealth, status and personal achievement, it is easy to forget that the most happiness is got when we help someone. In a world and personal achievement, it is easy to forget that the deepest form of fulfillment comes not from what we gather for ourselves, but from what we give to others. Real happiness, the kind that lasts beyond fleeting moments, is born when we touch someone's life, even in the smallest way, with kindness, compassion and selfless care. Helping others doesn't always mean grand gesture. It doesn't require fame, fortune or a title. It might be as simple as lending a listening ear to a friend in pain, offering encouragement to someone someone's straining and struggling your time with those in need. These acts, though small in scale, are enormous in impact. They create a ripple effect, one that travels far beyond the initial act of kindness and can transform life in unimaginable way. Why does helping others bring happiness? The answer lies in our nature. Human beings are wired for Giving realizes dopamine, the feel-good chemical, and strengthens social bonds. This is not just philosophy, it's biology. We are built to care, to give, and to serve. But beyond science, there is a spiritual truth that resonates across culture, religion, and philosophy. We rise by lifting others. When we help someone carry their burden, we realize that we are not so different from them. Their pain could be ours, their struggle could be easily our own. And in helping them, we not only lighten their load, we lighten our own. And this is the secret to lasting happiness. It isn't bought, it's built. It's built with kindness, with compassion, and with generosity. This is the secret to lasting happiness. When we help others, we become part of something greater than ourselves. We begin to understand that life is not about accumulation, but contribution. And in a world that can often seem dire, cold, and chaotic, helping others is a revolutionary act. It is a beacon of hope. It reminds us that the humanity still exists, that humanity still thrives, and that as long as we continue to care for one another, there is always a reason to believe in a brighter tomorrow. So friends, I urge you all, look around, look for opportunities to give, to help, to lift. Whether it's your kindness, your knowledge, or simply your pleasure, offer it freely. You may not always see the impact, but trust me, it is there, and in the process you will find happiness deeper than anything you could ever buy or chase. Let us be the reason someone believes in the goodness of people. Let us be the helping hand that turns someone's despair into hope. And in doing so, we will find a joy that no circumstance can take away. A happiness that springs from helping others, not from self-interest, but from selflessness. I would like to end my speech by a beautiful shloka, that is, Atmartham Jivalokesmin Kona Jivati Manava Param Parokkartham Yo Jivati Sa Jivati. And its meaning is, in this world, everyone lives to satisfy his or her own interests. But those people live a real and prosperous life who live for the sake of helping others. Thank you and have a lovely day ahead.
Happiness is often found in helping others, as it can lead to increased feeling of joy and well-being. The person who helps others, God always keeps him happy.
Research suggests that act of kindness triggers the release of a feel-good hormone, oxytocin, in the brain.
This combined with the sense of making a difference and the positive impact on others can contribute to a happier and more fulfilling life.
Helping others can foster a sense of community and belonging, strengthening social bonds.
Seeing the positive impact your actions have on others can boost your self-esteem and confidence. You can help others in numerous ways, from simple acts of kindness like donating items, giving advice, listening or supporting someone in their grief, to larger efforts like volunteering or donating blood and body organs. Consider your skills and interests, find ways to leverage them to make a positive impact on the lives of those around you.
Small acts of kindness. Be a good listener. Offer a listening ear to your friends, family, or even strangers who need someone to talk to.
Offer a helping hand by helping the elderly in your neighborhood with difficult tasks or offer to babysit for a friend.
Give a compliment. A simple compliment can brighten someone's day and boost their self-esteem.
Pick up trash. Help keep your community clean by picking up trash in public areas.
Spread positivity. Smile, be kind, and be a positive influence in the lives of those around you.
Some larger efforts of kindness like volunteer. Find a local organization or charity that aligns with your interests and volunteer your time. Donate blood and body organs. Donating blood and body organs can save lives, and it is a simple way to make a significant impact.
Donate into a cause. Support a cause that you believe in by donating money or other resources.
Teach someone a skill. Share your knowledge and skills with others, whether it's teaching a new language, coding, or another skill.
To add a touch of inspiration to our assembly, we will now hear Nimisha, who will be sharing a poem with us today. Nimisha, please.
Nisha of class 9B going to recite a poem on the topic happiness brings in helping others. When someone's sad or feeling low, a helping hand can make them flow. A little smile, a word so kind, can bring them peace and calm their mind. Happiness is not a thing you buy with cash or wear like bling. It's something that begins to grow when kind and caring actions show. When you see someone feeling blue, just stop and ask, can I help you? A little time, a thoughtful deed can plant a happy, loving seed. If someone lost or feeling shy, be there to help or just say hi. Your friendly voice, your cheerful face can turn the world into a warmer place. Help your friend who's stuck in class. Share your notes, let them pass. The joy you give is never gone. It circles back and travels on. Like ripples in a quiet stream. It builds a world that's like a dream. So choose to care, to live, to give, and show the world a way to live. For when we help, we truly see how bright and kind this life can be. Thank you and have a nice day.
His student and teacher in this room. He has been our guiding light since long and has always encouraged us. So please.
Thank you, children. Respected parents, teachers, and lovely children. Classes 2 to 5, please stand quietly. I know it has been long for you to stand here. First and foremost, congratulations to all the scholar tie holders who got the prizes, who got the ties today. While giving away the ties, my heart was filled with joy. So many of you got it, though in the senior wing, number became less. I look forward to many more of you getting into this criteria. It's not difficult, provided, as we always keep on telling you, all that you have to do is be attentive. If you're committing errors, no problem. But, again, there's a big but over here. You're committing mistakes and you're being told, being pointed out by your parents or by your teachers, or even at times by your own friends. A person with a right bent of mind will remember the error and mistake and will not repeat it. But if you go on repeating the same error time and again, then you are not learning. And you will stay away from these scholar ties. So please take care, all of you. When your friends come prepared to present their assemblies, they're coming with a lot of hope that you all will listen to them. It's not that only because they are coming with that hope and desire you should listen. From your point of view also, it is important for you to listen to them. One thing you all remember, we leave the comforts of home and come here. Why do we come here? What is the one word you can define? You're coming here for learning. सीखने के लिए आते हो. आते हो ना? And when learning is all around you, you are not listening. What is the point? Today's topic was happiness lies in helping others. So are you helping others? Yes or no? Very good. So all of you should be very happy? Good. You know, once a candle went into the dark room, there were 3 other candles. And she lit the other candles also. One of the other candles asked the first candle that when you lit us, did your light get reduced? And the first candle replied, no, my light didn't reduce, rather when I lit you all, the room became brighter. When you help others, your power doesn't decrease. That's the best part of it. Never shy away from helping others because it doesn't cost you any money. It's not necessary that you have to be very rich to feed others. That also we people do. Money helps us to help others, but it's not that without money we cannot help. There are so many things that we can do. You read the stories. There are stories, real life stories where people helped during the time of the need. And then later on, 20 years later, 30 years later, it comes back to them. You remember the story of a boy being helped by a lady with a glass of milk. And later on, after 20, 30 years, when that same lady was in the hospital for some treatment, medical treatment, which cost her a lot of amount. But she saw the bill in which it was written that all amount has been paid against one glass of milk that you had fed me. The boy whom she had fed was the doctor who had operated on her, who recognized her and waived off her fees. Life is full of such stories. So I hope in future you become part of such great stories. So be disciplined, be attentive, and I'm sure next year we shall be giving many more scholar ties to others who didn't qualify this year. Thank you.